Welcome everyone, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this case, the official LED cover for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with emotional LED lighting effect. The packaging is different here in the UK compared to what you guys get in America, because I know some of you are going to go, oh, it's fake, it's fake. No, it's not, it's what we have here. I've been using it for a few days. So emotional LED lighting effect, call and text notifications, slim case with good grip. It's recommended to remove your device cover before using the wireless power share feature. Now let me just quickly mention that I tried it with the wireless power share feature. It's a bit hit and miss, doesn't always work. Wireless charging on the official Samsung wireless charger is hit and miss. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Also, you can't use NFC if you switch the feature on of this case, and I'll show you that in a second. I will be reviewing this as well in my next video. The clear view cover, this is the white one to go with my white, ceramic white S10 Plus. And if you haven't already checked it out, I'll leave a link to my review of this case, the official protective standing cover, at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. In fact, hit the subscribe button and bell notification icon right now so you don't miss out any videos that I upload, because I'm going to have a ton load of them, a ton load. Okay, price of this from Samsung's website is £50. Too much, too expensive. I picked this up for £40. I'll leave a link where I picked it up from. Use that link, save yourself some money if you're interested in buying this. It also comes in the white color. I couldn't get that. That's the one I want to go with this. It'll match perfect. Right. It's a very light case, very thin. Not super protective, but it's not made for that. It's made to be flashy. When you're in a club, a bar or something like that, and you just want to rock out looking like creme de la creme, you know what I'm saying? Inside is a soft, very thin, sponge-like kind of felt-like material, so it will not scratch the back of your device up. You got Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus embossed into that material with made in Korea as well. And as you can see, the back is a fingerprint magnet. Look at it. Now it hasn't scratched up on me yet, but who knows? That's why I want to get the white one. It won't show this much scratch. It won't show this much fingerprints. And it will probably hide scratches a bit better as well. See, what's all this now? No, it's a bit of dirt. See, live, you're seeing it live, how filthy this thing gets. On the back, you've also got some Samsung branding right there, which is slightly embossed, kind of, you can feel it. It's in silver. Now, it's very easy to put this case on. I'll show you the way I do it. Clip the top in like that. Push the top in completely. Clip it down, job's done. Switch it off. Now, you've got a cutout at the top for the microphone. You can see that there. Top's totally covered, which is nice. Cutout for the power button. Bottom's completely open, except for the corners. You do have a little bit of protection there on the corners, so if it falls like that, bang, perfect, which is highly unlikely, this little ridge here and these corners will kind of protect it a bit, but be careful, because the likelihood is you will damage this if you drop it. And if you drop it at this sort of angle on something jagged, you'll smash the bottom of your screen, so you've got to be very, very careful. Big cutout for the volume rocker and Bixby button. The camera cutout on the back is lovely, perfectly aligned because it is an official case. And I'd say you've probably got, I don't know, a couple of mils of protection there. So not bad, not bad. Now I'll bring this in closer. You have got some lip protection on the top and some tiny bit of raised protection on the corners here. I am using a Whitestone Dome screen protector. I'll be reviewing that coming up. I've been using it for a few days. I wanted to give you my feedback after a few days. But lip protection wise, trying to see now. it gives you a little bit, even with the screen protector on, but not a huge amount. Oh, look at that, the effect started. The effect has started, look at that, boom. So let's go into this. I'll show you what you have to do. You have to go in here, go into that advanced features, sorry guys, accessories, LED cover. Now if you switch this on, NFC isn't available while using light control. See that? So if I switch it on, that just keeps going like that. Now I found it uses about 4%, maybe 5% battery over 100%, a full charge, which is quite substantial. That is quite a lot of battery usage. But that does look fancy. It does look very, very fancy. It's nice. If you're in a club, very nice. You can't see it, got this on the back. You got mood lighting here, or LED icons. Okay, I'll go into LED icons. You can change them, so you can go to heart, bird, pulse, whatever, pet blob, I don't know what the hell that is. So that's a smile, so let me show you the back. That's what that looks like. So you can have that rocking. I don't know what use that is, but let's try beer mug. When you're on an ice cold one, there you go. I'm not quite sure what good that is, because this only shows you calls and text messages from Samsung's own call app and text message app. It doesn't show you WhatsApp messages, Facebook messages, Instagram, nothing. It's only Samsung's own built-in apps. Go figure. Maybe they'll address that. I can't find anywhere where I can change the design or whatever of these. There is no option on this at the moment. You can also set the mood lighting when turned over, which is what I normally have it on. So if I switch it off, when you turn it over like that, it'll do that. It'll start kicking off. Picture cue, show an emotion on your LED cover when taking pictures with your rear camera, and camera timer, countdown on your LED cover when taking pictures. So let me try and go into camera. Let me set a 5-minute timer. So your friends, you take a picture of them, they can see that countdown, smile, bang, done. Which is quite cool. But other than that, it's kind of redundant. It is a good feeling case. If you don't like a bulky case, this is a nice option. It's not slippery in hand, but it is slippery on a smooth surface like my desk. It will slide around on there. Be careful, because I don't know how long. Look at the fingerprints. Look at that. Nuts. I would say this case is definitely not for everyone. It really is not for everyone, this case. It's not the most protective. It uses your battery up. You have to compromise on your NFC, your wireless charging, your power share. But it does look cool. Really cool. If you're at a bar and you see a girl you like, or a bloke you like, or whatever, switch that on, put it to your ear, or put it down on the bar, you know, and do that. Bang. Looks cool. So there you go, guys. As I said, it's a little bit hard for me to recommend this case. I do like it for what it does, but I don't like it in some respects. As I said, my links down below, affiliate links. Use those if you want to buy this, because they're £10 cheaper. It's 20% less than Samsung's own website. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. Next thing I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing is this cover. This is going to look boss. So until next time, this is Zilla saying take care and peace.